All right, welcome to part 2 of class. Proportional relationships versus inversely proportional relationships. That paragraph there talks about what proportional relationships are. And so how do we know something is proportional? I hope you told me something about I multiply by one quantity, I must multiply the other, or I divide one quantity, I must divide the other. But let's go ahead and go try 7m and 7n once you have thought about proportional. So 7m, talking about multiplication and division. 6 painters, 18 painters, what happens? Give all of this a shot. That was M. This is the rest of M. M is 2 pages this time. It's a 2-pager. And then 7n can use proportion or not. Whether or not a proportion is appropriate for the problem. So, inversely proportional relationships, hold on, sorry, that's going to jump a little bit for you. Inversely proportional, right? One quantity is multiplied, and the other quantity is divided. So, as one goes up, the other one goes down. So, as the number of miles you drive goes up, the amount of gas in your gas tank goes down. Those things vary inversely to one another. One goes up, the other one goes down. A lot of times we use this with jobs, and that's what they're talking about here in this figure. If it takes 2 people, this amount of time to mow 1 yard, how long will it take them to mow another 8 hours? All right, so the amount left to mow would go down as the amount of time I spend mowing has gone up. All right. Inversely proportional relationships, the number of people mowing, the number of hours it takes. As one goes up, the other one goes down. So this next figure talks about a proportional relationship, like we've been talking about, and an inversely proportional relationship, right? Double the number of people, I get double the amount of work done. But if my job size doesn't change and I add more people, then that amount of time it takes goes down. Right? And then those relationships are graphed differently. As you can see, a proportional relationship is a linear relationship, and an inversely proportional relationship does not have a linear relationship. So that's all for this section. I want to talk about your homework on page 321, number 3, number 5, number 9. If you work those out, bring them to class on Wednesday, as well as the 3 class activities from section 2.5. Thanks so much.